How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1989 GMC Jimmy. It's a clean California truck. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck. It's had one repaint, super slick paint on it. So they did new grille and headlight bezels all in it. Original front bumper. Truck's real straight, nice down the sides. Got the rear slider, windows on the side. Got all the correct body side moldings. Your rally wheels. It's got a 31-10-5 tire on it. It's got the rear tire carrier. It's just a super nice Blazer Jimmy. And people call them K5s, Jimmys, Blazers. Got the 350 in it, fuel injected, steering, brakes, air, cruise. Got all new suspension, all the springs, shocks, everything's been done back stock height. Very, very clean truck. It's got the power windows, tilt wheel, AC. Looks real good inside. Headliner's all been replaced. They did the seats and a tan leather, all new carpet. It's all finished off in the back like it should be. Got the WeatherTech floor protectors. An AM/FM CD stereo system with amps. So I really like the leather seats in it, very nice. Dash all looks real good. They did a nice little step to help get in. Fires right up. Side lights, everything in it work. So it's just a super nice Jimmy. Thing drives beautiful. Backup lights work. It's just really nice trucks, real straight, super nice truck. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. It's a perfect size tire on that. Nice set of rallies on it. little bit of traffic today. Have a great day, folks.